and in here we're going to discuss about tokens. So before I start, I just want to tell you that this topic is a very basic one and it's kind of important for school students. I mean, like, these questions, and there are questions that are going to be asked from this topic in theoretical and viva exams. So if you watch this video and like take the help of this video, I think you will be able to answer them. Well, let's start. So what are tokens? See, whenever you write a program, so you are going to use predefined words, operators, etc. And those will be the individual units, and those units totally are going to form a program. So these units are known as tokens. So by definition you can go like the smallest individual unit in a program is known as token. And there are different types of tokens. So let's see what are those. So the different types of tokens are identifier, keywords, constant, string, operators, and special symbols. So let's see what are those one by one. So let's start with keyword. See, keywords are words which have a special meaning. So when you are going to use int for integer, float for float values and all, main, so all these are predefined words which are stored in the compiler. So there are around 32 keywords stored in which are available in C. So there are 32 keywords which are available in C, and each have different functions for those. Like for defining an integer you need to specify int. For defining a floating value you have to specify float. Or like for defining the main function you have to specify that word main. So and all like that. Not main, like main, MAI. So let's see what are the next different types of tokens. So one is constant. See, constants are those words, or not words, or constants are variables. Okay, so these values are not going to be changed during the execution of a program. So that's why they are called constant, because they are constant in the whole programs and stuff, in the whole program. Okay, let's see what are the next. Strings. Okay, so string is a set of characters and it is always enclosed within a double quote. And the most important thing about strings is it is always terminated with a null character. So what is a null character? We will see that in the future videos. But before going to the future videos and stuff, I just want to tell you that null character seems like is like /0, and strings are always terminated by /0 and stuff. So let's see what is the next one. Operators. See, operators are like plus, minus, asterisk, divide and all, and they operate on operands and produces an output, not something special about the output. Like 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, and 5 is not special about anything special about 5 or something like that. So here 2 plus 3, so plus is the operator and 2 and 3 are the operands. So plus is operating on 2 operands, 2 and 3, and producing the result 5. So there are different kinds of operators which we will see in the upcoming videos and all. So let's see what is the next one. Special symbols. Okay, so special symbols in programs are like parentheses, curly braces, double quotes and stuff. So it's kind of difficult to explain it by defining this word special symbol, but I think you will be familiar with this when we do coding and stuff. So let's see what's the next one. Identifiers. See, when you are trying to declare a variable, you are going to need identifiers. So identifiers are used to identify different variables, and not only variables but also functions and stuff in a program. But while declaring an identifier, you have to know that there are certain rules which has to be satisfied. And so we'll take a look at this, at the rules. So the rules of defining identifiers are this: they must not begin with a letter or they must begin with a letter or an underscore, and they must only consist of letter, digits or underscore, no special characters. It should not be Q1, it must not contain white spaces, it should be up to 31 characters long. Yeah, so anyway, these are the rules, but you don't have to means by heart these rules, because it's easy when you try to code and stuff, it will automatically come to your hand. Like examples of identifiers can be like int a. Here a is the identifier. So this is all for tokens. But before that, I just want to tell you that I have attached a link in the description which gives you a note that I have prepared for students. So if you need any kind of help regarding this, you can take the help of the PDF, and I have given an example also there, so you can download the PDF and can read it from there. And don't forget to subscribe. I mean, I'm just trying to do stuff right now, and all means by stuff I mean kind of helping you guys, because I want to like help people and make students in the upcoming future to code and all stuff. I know I sound like stupid and all, but still I just wanted you to know that programming is fun. So like you don't have to worry about a lot and all, just go with the flow. And I think by the next video we will start coding a bit. So thank you.